In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, a pharmacist has conceptualized an idea that could help stem the spread of the coronavirus and help those infected manage their symptoms. Here's Kayan Morgan with her story.
A Ray of Hope. Melissa Myers is a pharmacist, and helping the sick heal is her forte. It's a profession she aspired towards from a tender age.
Every summer, every Christmas, I've been working at the pharmacy at the vitamin counter, so I know how vitamins work, and through that I went through pharmacy school.
So when COVID-19 first surfaced on the island, Melissa sought out ways she could help. Using information she gathered from recovered COVID-19 patients in the US, Melissa was able to design a medical kit she believes could help persons manage their symptoms while in home quarantine.
30 to 99% of the population experience very common fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, or the not so common diarrhea, vomiting, sniffling, sneezing. So for each of those symptoms, my Corona Kit provides you a recommendation and medication.
Personal protective equipment, PPE, like masks and gloves, are also inside.
If I experience dry cough, that's number 2. Number 2 in my Corona Kit is numbered to a cough suppressant. You follow the handwritten instructions, you can note how often you take that medication. And if you know how often you take it, at the end of the day you say, did that make me better? Did that make me worse?
Melissa says the aim is to encourage preparation before infection, as well as get persons to stay home when infected. This, she believes, will limit the spread while taking the pressure off the already overwhelmed health system.
It scares me enough to know that the World Health Organization person says, the chief says, the worst is yet to come. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the worst to come? Because when it comes to you, you cannot go outside. You must not infect people that can end up in hospital, that can end up not being able to have a bed or a ventilator. It can be your loved one, you know.
Her passion to develop the kit, she says, came from wanting to help others.
My friend reminded me when we had our first case in March, Mel, you remember that time when you gave me the flu? I gave them the flu. And I felt so bad. I just said, you know what? Let me just, all right, what you have, cough, what you have, runny nose. I just put together things and I wrote down instructions and everything, and they felt better.
She's encouraging citizens to take the virus seriously.
We want to hang off our mask, we want to wear it under our chin, but the truth is Corona is a real thing. If you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan. A Ray of Hope.